Itin, welcome back to my channel. Isang komento mula sa Taiwanese fans ang humuli sa aking atensyon. After manood ng concert sa Taiwan with SB19 simula at wakas, ito ang pinost niya sa kanyang social media account. I have only seen Thailand, Japan, and Taiwan concert. For the first time in my life, I have been amazed by the ability of the Filipinos to sing before I started. It's really different from the performances of other countries. It is a large ski song scene, and they are really super passionate and energetic, and they are so full of reactions that let me be overwhelmed, but really fun, not all cold. Feel like I can't get out for a long time. O diba, nakaka-touch, nakaka-proud bilang isang Pinoy na isang foreigner o banyagang fans o international fans ng SB19 mula sa Taiwan ang bumilib at humanga. Sinabi niya amazed siya sa ability ng mga Filipino singer, lalo na ang SB19 dahil nanood siya ng concert at siya ang witness kung bakit ang galing, dynamic live performance, so energetic ang performance ng SB19. At kinumpara din niya ang ability of Filipino singers sa Thailand, Japan, at Taiwan concert, pero the best at nakaka-amazed ang abilidad ng mga Filipino singers na mag-perform sa world stage. O di ba? Nabanggit dito na it's a large ski song scene. O di ba? Talagang super passionate at energetic ang SB19. Bilib na bilib sila o siya sa performance at talent ng SB19, in other words. Kaya naman maraming salamat sa Taiwanese post na to, sa Taiwanese fans na na-appreciate at na-recognize ang Filipino talent tulad na lamang ng SB19 at enjoy sila. Hindi sila feeling cold. Feel like I can get out for a long time. Talagang gusto pa nilang manood ng concert. I mean, base sa post niya, ay gusto pa nila ng more concerts from SB19. I can't get out for a long time. Kaya naman maraming salamat.